Hi there, and welcome to TinyButton. TinyButton is a localization tool that allows you to start creating a multilingual website in 3 easy steps. Today we're going to start showing you how you can create a localized version of this product page on our demo store. Once you've signed up with TinyButton, you will be given a JavaScript code that looks like this. Insert the code on your website. Once you've done that and installed our Google Chrome extension, you can start translating by clicking the Add Language tab. In the pop-up window, pick any of the languages that we support. For this example, we're going to pick Korean. Then, switch automatically to browser's language and click Save. As you can now see, the Korean language tab has now been added. Click on the tab and then the Edit button, and you'll start noticing TinyButton highlighting all the elements on your page that we can actually translate for you. I'm going to start with Contact Us. For the translation, we have 3 options: Manual, Human, and Machine. Manual allows you to directly input the Korean translation if you know it. For instance, I know the actual Korean term for Contact Us. Now, I'm going to select Site-Wide and click Save. Similarly, you can start selecting sections of text that are significantly more complex and send it to our human translators. Click the Human tab. Here, you can exclude words that are product names, for instance, and we allow you to do that. Here, I'm going to exclude the word Bidge Frame. If you have any specific instructions for the translator, you can add it in this box. I don't have any additional instructions, so I'm going to select the quality of the translation that I'd like for this text. I'm going to use the Ultra translation, which is the highest quality of translators available, and I'm going to select Site-Wide and click the Apply and Submit for Translation button. You'll now notice that the status changes to In Translation. That means your translation request has been assigned to a translator. Once they have completed the job and you accept the new translation, it will automatically appear on location within the site based on the rules that you have set up. The third option is the machine translation that uses the Google Translation API to get suggestions for the requested text. As you can see, this allows me to localize really quickly for most of the text on this page. Here, we're demonstrating that we can localize product names as well. TinyButton also allows you to identify dynamic numbers, like the price savings over here. Pricing and discounts will vary based on time of year and target audience, so this feature allows you to set that up through this syntax, and the translated text will amend itself accordingly. We're now going through the remaining parts of the page and localizing it. Notice the speed that TinyButton allows you to work in real time across multiple options. We generally function significantly faster than most of the existing pre-packaged tools in the market. Here's how the localized page will look for your users. I'm going to load up the same page in incognito. On the live product page, we can actually choose to load the Korean version from the TinyButton widget, and all the translation that we just worked on are now live. Give TinyButton a try today.